Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Sora AI. In this episode we're going to find out the importance of videos and the use of different videos in different companies, and of course for introduction of different products. In order to do this, I was thinking, what if we go for some cool companies, great companies? Let's analyze them, let's delve into them. For example, Apple. This is Apple website. This is MacBook Pro. Well, see how it appears. So there is a video of a laptop or a MacBook, let's say, that is opening up. And this is how it's showing. You see how powerful it is. Let's go for the next one. Well, for example here, this is a video being zoomed in. Or for example, this one is just being zoomed in, but still it needs to, it is much better because it takes more attention. Or for example, this website, NVIDIA, the beginning, right? The first thing you see is a video. So the world is actually finding its way towards using more videos than photos because it is scientifically said that it takes more attention than simple photos. You see another one here. Video actually causes to get more attention. For example, this is for Tesla. Some cool videos have been uploaded. Of course, there are pictures too, but mostly videos. You see that? Again, videos. All right. Well, these are great companies that you see. The use of videos when it comes to the introduction of their products is a lot. So once you've got a product that you want to sell, that you want to introduce, it is highly recommended that you use videos to introduce them rather than simple texts or photos. So the importance of generating videos for our companies is utmost. Let's use Sora to create some advertising video. For example, this is your product. Let's just imagine you want it to be eco-friendly and you want to create a video to upload into your website or your social media or anything else, or anywhere else. So let's just upload the image first. We've already worked on it, an image. Sora does not perform that well. It's got a little bit of problems, a few problems, if you will. But let's see what it does. First upload it. Then we need to write our prompt. Promotional video for a new line of eco-friendly products. Show products in a clean, minimalistic setting, natural lighting, sustainable materials, and emphasize the message eco-friendly, affordable. It's better to, So add soft background music in clean, professional transition. Let's just go with, let's not have that. 2 variations, 5 seconds. Let's see what promotional video it turns out to be. So we only said in the beginning that it should be eco-friendly. Let's see what it does. Well, this is the final result. And I believe it is absolutely amazing. Now that one is a bit like getting out of the camera, but on the one on the right can be uploaded the main page of your website. So the importance of using video in promotional and advertising video was just shown to you. Like such great websites and products and companies in the world that use videos. And if you want to promote something, it is highly recommended for you to use these pieces of software. This is the video we created the previous episodes. That was for advertising purposes. It is absolutely amazing and can be put to great use. I hope you like this video, you like this episode. Have a very good day.